Well, welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. It is nighttime and my little buddy Sparky's back, so let's get a little video of him. I've got this chicken scratch feed. You know, it's a blend of corn and sorghum variety. He seems to like it. Giving it to him a few different nights. Come here, buddy. He's really tamed down. Come here. 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 Here you go, buddy. And you see him filling his cheeks up right now. He goes back to his little underground burrow and unloads his seeds he just got, and then comes back. He'll clean out that pile probably within 5 minutes. There he goes. He's going to take off, run home now. Oh, I guess he made some more room. He's got a mouthful already. See his cheeks sticking out. There he goes. He's off. I'll put a little bit more there for him. I usually give him about that much every night. That's plenty. There's no way he can eat that much. He's just stockpiling it, which is good because we're not here all the time, so you don't get these handouts all the time. So for those of y'all that don't know what Sparky is, he's a kangaroo rat. If you go back to one of my first videos, I think it was within the first 5 videos, I had a little buddy I called Sparky. He would come here when I was cooking barbecue and I was giving him chips and, you know, cinnamon rolls, whatever I had. This one here, I don't think it's the same kangaroo rat, but he's real friendly. He's gotten to where I let you pet him now. Takes food right from the kids' hands. Oh, Sparky's back. Getting him some more cheekfuls. That's it, he's off. Funny little creature. So I had a little issue with my heat exchanger. It's got, looks like I would say a heat stress crack in it. Last night I started the fire and it started leaking so bad that it was actually putting the fire out. So I had to put the fire out completely and take it out, clean it up, and I had some solder and I was able to solder it back. But I think I'm going to change out that coil, make a new heat exchanger. And I think what needs to happen, you know, I've seen a lot of videos where people make heat exchangers, but they test them and, you know, that's it. They don't actually use them. I use this thing every night I'm here, you know, during the cooler months. So I think you need a separation between the copper and the coals. So what I'm going to do I've got some thick copper plate, like 1/8 inch thick. I want to make a coil that's on the bottom side of that, and then the fire will be on top of that. I think it's going to work a lot better and, you know, last a lot longer. So next time I come back out, I'm going to have to put that new one in there. I'm hoping I can limp this one along for the next 4 days that I'm here. Yeah, the wind died down. Pretty happy about that. It was a little rough earlier. Got 2 ribeyes. That's what's for dinner, along with a can of ranch style beans. Looking like this fire is about ready to put the steaks on there. Well, Sparky's back looking for more food. Guess I give him just a little bit more. He's already taken quite a bit to his little house.
Taste the seeds.
Well, I think dinner is ready. Well, that's all I have. I'll see you on the next one.